Based on where the stock appears to be poised to open this morning, you're going to be overseeing a company that will have roughly a $60 billion market value. Does that make you nervous? Do you feel like you can deliver on that kind of expectation in the marketplace?
I think that the great news is that Lucid's a tech company and we're bringing the world's best technology to the market this year here in the US. And I think that the valuation is a reflection of our technology. I think that that has been validated and endorsed through the due diligence that Churchill Capital have undertaken. And they're thrilled with the product, everything they've seen. I'm very confident we've got world-class tech. What we need to do now is humbly and diligently execute and get this into production. And that is what will truly drive the value.
Yes, it will. And it is behind some of the numbers that you're putting out there. And let me just share some of them because they're impressive. You are looking for generating as much as $2.885 billion in EBITDA by 2026. So within the next 5 years. What gives you the confidence, Peter, that you can ramp up production and sales, obviously, to the point where you're going to be able to deliver on that kind of a target?
Well, I think we've got an ambitious yet realizable plan. We've shown that we can execute. If you look at the factory that we've built to date, we did that in record time, the first greenfield, purpose-built EV factory in North America. So the team I've got and surrounded myself with are consummate professionals, and we've got the expertise, we've got the track record of delivery. What's really important now, though, particularly over the next few months, is to get our first product into production. That's the great litmus.
Okay, so Peter, you say you're a technology company, and I share that. And on page 37 of your excellent deck that has everything that people should know, leading charging speeds. I happen to think that the differential for many, many people and many, many cars is how quick you can get on the road and how quick you can charge. Give us what you can do versus the other guys.
Absolutely, Jim. I couldn't agree more. It's a huge differential. So here we have a charging speed where we can put 300 miles in the car in around 20 minutes. And we're doing that with ultra high voltage, over 900 volt charging through our partnership with Electrify America. This is next generation technology. And we're doing that with our Wonderbox boost charger. And not only that, we've got two-way charging on board. So we can actually go vehicle to grid. You can run your house off the car.
Well, I also like, as someone who has kids who drive, I see that you have 32 sensors on board. A comprehensive sensor suite. I always ask my kids, how many sensors? Why? Because this is what a parent cares about. This is the most, correct? This is maybe the safest car on the road.
To the best of my knowledge, it's the most comprehensive and beautifully integrated sensor suite for autonomous driving and ADAS. Over 14 cameras, 32 sensors, and we fuse long and short range radar, surround radar with long range, plus a 120-degree solid-state LiDAR in the nose.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.